Hey guys, this is a 2-in-1 video today, and you can see my shadow, lol. But I have a squishy package and a haul, and I haven't posted for a while, so I'm really sorry for that. So let's get started. So this is a package I got it in, my squishy packaging, and my invoice is right here. And then inside here I ordered a Sammy Christmas squishy from 2013. So here's a tag. And there's some defects on it because I've been squishing this for a while. And I have a tip for you guys. Don't squish. If you get the squishy, don't squish it much. And here's a licensing. And it's soft. And I'll be taking this out of the packaging. Okay, so this looks like this, and it's like really soft. Ew. Yeah, mini magnetic thingy. Okay, time for the items I got from a mall. So the first item I bought from the store was this jumbo panda bun, and it was $3.99 plus tax. So it's basically $4, and it comes with the cell phone pluggy and a black cell phone strap. And this is really soft. Now I'll also be taking this out of the packaging. So this is how it looks like. And this is really soft. And it has a minor defect. It has some minor defects. It came with the brown dots and this hole. I don't know, but it's pretty squishy though. I like it. And it smells like popcorn. Okay, so the next item I bought was this toast, and it's the mini toast with the smiley face, and it's $1.99 plus tax, and it also comes with a black cell phone strap and a cell phone pluggy. And the last two things I bought was these two macarons. This one's defected with a huge rip that it came with. I'm trying to focus that for you guys. And it's $1.99 plus tax along with this. So thank you for watching, and like, subscribe, and comment down below. No negative comments, please. And yeah, bye.